Welcome to my first YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to merge the two arrays. First of all, the first array I include in A50, second array I include in B50. Here the 50 I take up to the last limit. The size 1 always less than 50 and size 2 always less than 50. Here size 1 is the number of elements you want to input in the first array, and size 2 is the number of element you want to input in the B array. Ik, these are the two variables, and C100, it is the merging array. It merges the A plus B values. So here you see, at first the printf function printf and scanf function I used to scan the value of array 1 element, number of element you want to input. Let's take array 1 element equal to 4. So I equal to 0, I less than size 1, I put the size 1 equal to 4. So I equal to 0, it continues up to I less than 4, I plus plus incremental value. When these two condition is true, it will execute this function. So here you see, scanf function is used to scan the AI values, and Ci, it is the merging value equal to AI. What is the role of this for loop? When I equal to 0, 0 is less than 4, so this condition is true. So at A0 position you have assigned one value, and simultaneously at C0 position A0 value will be stored. Okay, this process is continuous up to this following expression is false. When it is false, when I equal to 4, 4 does not less than 4, so this condition does not more true, so it comes out from the loop and stored in the variable k. So now the value of k equal to 4. Okay, and here you see, keep in mind the value of k equal to 4. Now here you input the size to array 2 size. Here you also take the size 2 value equal to 4. Now I equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Here you scan the value at B0 position, you have one assigned one value. It's stored in the C4 position. I formally told that k equal to 4. At C4 position, B0 will be value will be stored. In the first for loop, I told you that A0 position you have assigned one value, A1 position you have assigned one value, A2 position you have assigned two value, A3 position you have assigned one value, but at A4 position the first for loop does not execute this. So it comes to the k value, k equal to 4. Now it execute here. So at C4 position B0 value will be stored and k plus plus value will be executed. The k plus plus equal to 5, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now at B1 position, this condition is true. B1 position, at C5 B1 value will be stored. B1 you have assigned one value, so at C5 position B1 value will be stored. It continues up to 3. Okay, and here the last function, here you see, it is the last for loop in order to print the ck value. Already C stored A0, A1, A2, A3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. So here up to k, that means 0 to 7 value, it will stored it k and it will simply print here. Now I press Alt F9 in order to compile the program and Control F9 in order to run it. Here you see, enter the array 1 size. Let's take 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and array 2 size is also take 4. Array 2 elements, let's take 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here the merging element. Okay, if there is any problem still persists, write down on the comment section. I'll surely answer it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.